Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Web Techie. This is Sudhakar Reddy, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you about one important option which is available under layer menu, that is smart objects. You can see on the screen the option is highlighted, that is called smart objects, which is available under layers in Photoshop. So friends, this option is very important, especially when you are transforming. Transformation contains many options like rotation, scaling and everything. So for example, when you transform it, when you make it smaller, bigger, what happens? Picture is going to lose its quality because Photoshop is raster graphic. Please watch this video till end. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos, and let us continue for the topic. I am going to show you that with smart objects and without smart objects here. First, without smart objects. Let me reduce the size of this picture. This is a separate layer here. If you can see this layer window here, it is a separate layer. I want to transform it. I want to reduce the size. I can use Control T or Command T if you are using Macintosh. Here I have a picture. I want to reduce the size. I'll transform this and you can reduce it. Press enter to finish the task. Now you make it bigger again. We made it smaller. I want to make it bigger again. So you can use, then you can increase it. Friends, can you see this picture here? The quality of the picture has been reduced. So can you see that girl there? We are not able to identify at all. The quality is totally blasted. So there is no quality at all. So this is what happens without smart objects. So friends, whenever you are doing transformations, whenever you are designing something, always convert this layer or object to the smart objects. I am going to show you that using smart objects here. Same transformation, I'll do it now. I'll go to the layer here. You will find one option under layer called smart objects. Can you see the smart objects? I am converting this layer to the smart objects here. This is the option which we are going to use it. I am going to transform this picture again. If you use Mac, use Command T, and if you are using Windows operating system, use Control T. You can see these lines here into mark here. This indicates it is converted into smart objects. Please observe this. If you get this lines like this, that means it is in smart objects. Now we reduce the size. Press enter. So we reduced it. Now I want to make it bigger again. Again, transformation. Make it bigger. So now you can see the quality remains same. In fact, the quality is little bit increased, it seems. So friends, this is how the smart objects, with smart objects and without smart objects. So I suggest you to follow these instructions, because whenever you start designing it and whenever you have a layer, when you are doing some transformations, always use this option called smart objects. So friends, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you are not a subscriber for this channel, and share my video friends.